Good morning to all. Myself Mariselvi from History Department. I wish to present a topic Mahakavi Subramania Bharatiyar. Introduction. Subramania Bharatiyar was also known as Mahakavi Bharatiyar. He was a Tamil poet, journal, writer and a freedom fighter known for his revolutionary and reformist writings. He played an important role in India's independence. He was well versed in Sanskrit, Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, English, French and Arabic. It is said that he was proficient in around 14 languages. Early life and career. Subramania Bharatiyar was born on 11th December 1882 in the village of Ettayapuram in Tuticorin. His father was Chinnaswamy and his mother was Lakshmi Ammal. At the age of 11, he was given the title of Bharati for his excellence in poetry. In 1897, at the age of 15, Bharatiyar married Chellamma. In 1906, he started a Tamil daily Vijaya and a weekly journal India, and English monthly Balabharatam also. In 1907, Bharati participated in the historic Surat Congress session. In 1908, the British instituted a case against VOC, who was the editor of his journal. Bharatiyar also faced the prospect of arrest. He escaped to Pondicherry, which was under French rule. Contribution towards freedom movement. His nationalist poems fueled the independent movement, particularly in Tamil Nadu. His nationalist works like Jayabharatam and Vande Mataram were considered as a symbol of patriotism. He supported revolutionary leaders like Balagangadhar Tilak and Aravind Ghosh. Despite persecution by the British, he continued publishing fiery editorials in India and Swadesamitran newspaper. Advocacy for women's and downtrodden's. Bharatiyar strongly advocated for women empowerment and education. His revolutionary thoughts towards women were expressed in his famous work Pudumai Pen, The Modern Women. He stressed that the women were treated equally with men. Bharati also fought against the caste system in Hindu society. Though Bharati was born in an orthodox Brahmin family, but he considered all living beings as equal. To show his genuine intention, he performed the Upanayanam for a young Dalit man and made him a Brahmin. Upanayanam. What is Upanayanam? Upanayanam means a ceremony which was conducted by a Brahmin only to a Brahmin. He strongly advocated to bring the Dalits to the Hindu mainstream. His famous works. Bharatiyar wrote thousands of poems on the diverse topics like Indian nationalism, love songs, children's songs, songs of native, glory of the Tamil language. His Panchali Sabadam, based on the story of Panchali, that is Draupadi, is considered to a dedication to Bharat Mata. Bharatiyar's Sudandhira Geethangal talks about India's freedom. Kuyil Pattu and Kannan Pattu are the another famous works of Bharatiyar. Legacy. To honor Bharati's contribution to India's independence, the Tamil Nadu government celebrates Bharatiyar's Day on December 11th. Death. In Madras, he was struck by an elephant named Lavanya at Parthasarathi temple. Although he survived after the incident, but his health deteriorated a few months later and he died in 1921. Here I will note some of the famous quotes of Bharatiyar in our Tamil language. யாமறிந்த மொழிகளிலே தமிழ் மொழி போல் இனிதாவது எங்கும் காணோம். யாருக்கும் அஞ்சோம், எதற்கும் அஞ்சோம், எங்கும் அஞ்சோம், எப்போதும் அஞ்சோம். உச்சி மீது வானிடிந்து வீழுகின்ற போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை, அச்சமில்லை, அச்சமென்பதில்லையே. செய்வதை துணிந்து செய். Thank you.